Session 15 of our athlete training camp is our Olympic weightlifting workshop. We'll explore the biomechanics and the application of Olympic weightlifting from a theory-based and a practical-based standpoint. We have 4 different modules we'll be covering inside this session. The first is how to learn and improve complex movement, whether we work and train in the part, the whole, or a combination. Our second module will look at the biomechanics and technique of Olympic weightlifting. This will include the top-down approach to learning to join the dots in your technique. We'll be doing a group lifting session, and in module 4, we'll be doing a technique video analysis, where every single athlete will receive a full video analysis of their snatch and their clean and jerk to be able to improve their future performance. Presented by Range of Motion and a team of 8 subject matter expert coaches presenting 24 modules, the Athlete Camp is an intensive and comprehensive weekend of athlete development and education for CrossFit athletes of all abilities from all locations. To learn more or to secure your ticket, visit rangeofmotion.net.au/athletecamp. I hope to see you there.